Hi, welcome to Food and Tech. My name is Abhishek and today I am here with the review of Xiaomi Bluetooth Speaker Basic 2. The speaker was launched 1 year back and I almost used this for around 6 months. In this video, I will tell about the pros, the cons, the build quality, features and sound performance of the speaker. It is a portable Bluetooth speaker from Xiaomi and it is easy to carry one-handed or neck. It comes with a gorgeous matte aluminum. The white face is made of plastic. Overall, I am satisfied with the build quality. Measuring 154.5 and 25.5mm thin and the power on off button can be also used to pause or play the music other than switching on and off. The ordered aux port allows the cabled connection to devices from computers, phone and MP3 player. And the rear side comes with a charging dock, a aux port and a mic which make it completely hands-free. The input charging is around 5 watt at 1 ampere and it took almost 3 hours to completely charge the speaker. The speaker is available on me.com and Amazon. I bought it from MI store for around 1700 rupees and it is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. With the built-in mic, you can also receive phone calls through the speaker. I tested this and it works really well. The built-in lithium polymer battery offers a capacity of 1200 mAh. Xiaomi claims 10 hours of continuous playback time, but I got around 4 to 5 hours of playback time with 100% volume. When coming to the sound, which is the important aspect for a speaker, the sound output is very good and it is pretty loud and of good quality. There is good bass and also no distortion in higher volume. I bought it from MI store for around 1700 rupees and the box comes with only the speaker and charging cable. For the price of 1800 rupees, I am impressed with the performance. Even though we can't much compare it with other high-level Bluetooth speaker, offers great build quality and sound quality for the price. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for instant notification when a new video is uploaded.